have the interesting little horseshoe piece here. And then there's also this very interesting piece that I'm not sure what it does. It seems like kind of a base piece, kind of.
Right. So eventually, hopefully, right, it will be like this part here.
Ah, yeah, cool. Okay, like a little back and forth slide for like a linear.
Right, to move this part, yeah.
Ooh, okay, cool, nice. All right. Well, what should I do first?
So do you have? Yeah. So I think so. One of the things that we can do is to connect the top part.
Cool. Yeah.
And yeah, exactly. So you can connect these two things with this one here.
Nice. That one there. So I got the two, and then
and then you should be able to move very freely.
So I noticed that there was one really long one.
Right. So with the long one. So we have the long ones for when are like more than two pieces that can be connected
together.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll do that. So there's the short ones, and then there's one really long one and one sort of like medium one.
Right. I just we have different sizes, whatever feels more comfortable to you.
Sure. I'll do the really long one right now.
So the really long ones are great for very nice and small and chubby hands because they're like easier to open. So we have them for like that particular case as well.
All right.
Okay, and now we are gonna connect. I'm going to insert this part between,
okay,
these two panels.
Like that.
Oh, so you have, so yeah, you will have to remove that fastener, that you have there. I don't know why that is. That's there, but yes.
Got it. So then that goes through, and so that then goes back through to the, so it's like a stop for it?
Yeah. No. You don't have to put it there. Yeah. Okay. Yes. And then you just need to connect the hands.
Yes. Hang on a second. So I got those two, and so so those two go up at the top there.
Right. Yeah. And then basically, I think that will be it. Yeah.
Cool. So I'll put those through. This is cool, man. I wish I had stuff like this when I was a kid.
Yeah, no, me too. I love to play with it. Yeah, well, that is incredible what kids have now in, the things that they have access to. I think it's pretty awesome. But, they have big problems to solve. So,
right.
They need any help we can give them.
Cool. All right. Woo.
Yeah, exactly. So I think now you just need to to grab something. You just need to move this part.
I feel like.
Am I missing? Okay, can I see?
It's like a little.
Oh yeah, I think. What is it? Oh, I think this thing is on top. Oh yeah, I see the problem.
What am I?
So so this main part needs to be behind this one. So there is, you see?
I see.
There is,
Yes. Okay. So I think. Oh, I know. I'll just undo it right here for right now because that's the easiest.
No. Is this one here? So you have this long part.
Okay. Yeah.
And that long part needs to be behind that beam that connects. Exactly. So maybe that. I don't know if that's the problem, but yes.
Yeah,
that might be the problem.
Easier than re-threading it.
Yeah. So. Yeah, you just. Oh, I see what you were gonna do. Yeah, both things work.
Many different ways to solve a problem.
Yeah.
So I can put that over there. Aha. That over here. Okay.
So let's see. And yeah, it's easier if the beginning you just straight these two pieces, these two things, if you make them straight. Yeah, exactly. And then You can just.
I feel like
No. So
this
this
is
one,
like,
can you move this thing?
yes, I feel like it's a
Yeah.
little short, maybe, because when I move it, when it's all the way up here, it's in.
Yeah, no, I think that's good. Yeah.
Is that good? Okay,
Yes.
yeah, cool.
Yeah, cool. And then I
Okay,
send
yeah,
you.
because then now it grabs. Okay, got it. Now it
Yeah.
grabs and opens
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. Okay,
And then I send you other pieces in case we want to build something to grab.
cool. Nice.